much would it cost you?
Well, it would cost me tens of millions of won to buy the car. It costs a lot of money in insurance. I know you're thinking gasoline cost. That's the cheapest part. The gasoline is the cheapest part. Did you know that gasoline is much more expensive in Korea than in the United States?
Yes, I did notice actually.
Yeah, right. Well, I've already asked you about taking the train. Can you get there by subway train? I wonder if you took a taxi. If you took a taxi, say for example, from downtown Seoul to Yongin, do you know how much would it cost by taxi?
How much would it cost by taxi?
That's a good question. How much would it cost by taxi? How do I say that in Korean?
택시비는 얼마가 나올까요?
Taxi비는?
Yes.
비는 is rain.
No. B is fee.
Taxi fee.
Yes.
P is P just maybe a little bit of a Konglish pronunciation of fee?
I don't believe so. I think it's full Korean Hangul.
Really? P is just cost.
Yes.
Okay, so taxi V. I'm sorry, one more time. How much would it cost by taxi in Korean? Taxi V는?
얼마가 나올까요?
얼마가, that's how much. 얼마가
나올까요?
나올까요? How would it come out to be?
Yes.
택시비는 얼마가 나올까요?
Yes.
How much would it cost by taxi? Yeah, I wonder. From downtown Seoul to Yongin by taxi, I'm guessing it would cost
Too much.
too much. I'm gonna guess 30,000 won. Maybe more. 30 or 35,000 won. Actually, probably more because here's what happens.